Alright, so this is Mike. I'm recording on the Rivet race team. This is our blur team that's competing in the ZRL race. America West 2 or B, I'm not sure. Sorry, America East. This is going to be a tough course. It's everything bagel. So there's always hard starts to these, and then they're going straight uphill, which is always a challenge. So I'm looking at Noah right now, just seeing where he is. This is the first hill, definitely ramps up steep. It ramps up, kind of levels off, and then there's a bunch of stair stepping. And it's all in. Didn't take them very long to get here. I'm sorry, I kind of have a weird screen because I'm in the E-pen. So once I start, hopefully that'll disappear and I can see, get a better shot of Noah. Noah's looking really good. He's in a really good position up near the front. I think he's going to be okay. It is going to stair step right here. It's pretty decent power, and if that's the power that it's going to be, that's actually good news because that's very doable for Noah. But you can see here we take a right and then we're going up another hill. We're going all the way to the top. This is the New York KOM. That red line that they just passed is the start of it, so I think it's 3 minutes from here. Here's the first stair step you'll see. Watching Stewart right now, he's looking good. See how many people are behind. A lot of people behind still too. Lots of people out in front. We're going up. It's going to get real steep here in a minute. Noah's looking good. Pretty fair power, so that's decent. These guys are off the back. I'm at the very end. That's not what I meant to do. Looking good, guys. Looking real good. Stay in that pack. Once you get up and over to the top of the hill, you got a nice super tuck. Got this one more kicker coming up. Nice job, Stuart. Come on, buddy. Just get over with the group. Come on, buddy. Get up. Stand up. Dig, dig, dig. Get on those wheels. Nice. Good job, man. Good job, Stuart. Just get on a wheel, man. Get on that wheel. You just want to be able to super tuck going downhill. You're at super tuck speed. Pedal across these little things. There's going to be a group of people that catch you. Better to be in a big group going downhill, man, if you're not going to catch these guys. Noah's just a second or two behind you, so they're going to catch up to you here pretty quick. Super tuck if you can. Yeah, good. Good, good, good. Just stay in that group. Looking good. You're getting some recovery. No, that's good, man. Punch it up this climb. Alright, so that was the first KOM. We're going to be just going through rolling hills for the next, I think it's, well, this is miles. I think we got 10 miles of rolling hills now. So they got a small group. They're 16 seconds behind the group in front. And they're not doing huge amounts of power up in the very front up here. Guy in the front's doing 5.3 and 400 watts. That's a decent amount of power, but they're also going up a 5% incline. This might still be the lead group. Yeah, they're going up another hill. There's Stewart. So they are 11 seconds back now. So they are catching. another group up front in front of this as well. This guy in the front, he's doing decent power. Dan's a monster. If anybody can bring this group back, it's this guy. 3.4 watts and he's doing 330. That's awesome. Got Stewart right behind him. This is Scott, P shooter. 41st, he's a little bit off that group up front, I believe. But he's 28 seconds behind this group where Stewart is. He's in a group of looks like 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 other people are catching on. So they're rolling through. They're down to the bottom old school part. Noah's still in a decent place. 20 seconds, second group. The lead group is definitely, let's see, where are they? So this is the lead group. They're still pedaling, that's for sure. And it's hard to monitor like how the watts are because it's so much up and down. It's like they're 15, 16 seconds up in front. How many people are in this group? This looks like a pretty big group right here. So if they ride, they can maybe catch, and then they got to go up the KOM again. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. Noah's at 4.34 up this 3% climb. Yeah, there's Stu. He's right there in the mix. That's good. Just got these up and down climbs for so long. Not a flat part on this course, it seems like. So I don't have a lot of commentary on this course. It's survival of the fittest, and it will be a war of attrition. So there's not a ton of tactics other than stay with the group. Stay with the group and try to follow wheels as much as you can. Such a challenge when you're not in the front group, because you want to work and contribute to bring back the front group. But if it's not a dedicated effort with everybody, then your working will lessen your chance of being able to get up the KOM when we go up the second time. So everybody's kind of just like doing the bare minimum, I think. Just an opinion. They're definitely working hard. I just think that it just seems to me that if you look up here in the top corner, that the group of folks is just riding away. They're up here. And this is where the group is right here. You can kind of see how the course is kind of playing out. So I think they got a pretty steep hill coming up, as you can see from this thing right here. You got that sprint coming up over the top of this hill. If you got a power up, use it if you didn't use it already. Unless you're saving a good one for the end. I do have the Discord on, so I can talk to them. I just don't have much to offer. This dude's working, man. 189, 190 beats a minute. My maximum heart rate on a hot day might be 190 now. So I've seen Stu get up over 200 and I think he gets up to 204, the highest I've seen. Which is just crazy. Let's see if I can find somebody else. I think I called him Dan earlier. I'm sorry. It's Dave, I believe. Yeah. Super Dave Virtual Reality. Guy's such a diesel. 277 or 400 watts for me is like 6 watts a kilogram. Now he's digging. That's good, man. Nice job. Stewart's right behind him, which is where I would be. It's a pretty low. There's all these little digs on this climb, and if you're not paying attention, you can get gapped off the back, which would not be fun. Yeah, this group up front's now 30 seconds ahead. I'm just interested what kind of bikes they're riding. I've heard the Tron's the fastest bike for this course. I'm seeing some Venges with the 858 disc. It's kind of heavy bike for climbing, I hear, but that's my favorite bike. I'm also surprised to see these guys with their lighter bikes and light wheels. I've heard that makes it a pain in the butt to draft, but they're up here and they seem to be doing fine. So there's the Arrow Road. Looks like he's riding 202s. Here we go. I'm watching the lead group. I think they're about 30 seconds ahead of you. They just went under another banner. So if you got a power up that you need to get rid of, I'd use it. There goes Noah, not letting this guy get away. Good cadence, solid power. It's like a little riser right here. It just goes like 1 to 2%, I believe. And then you get some nice downhills again. But definitely stretching out. Big group behind. Yeah. I think it goes down to like, this is like, well, we'll see once Noah gets to the back here. So this is the top 34. I don't know how many people are still in the front group. Yeah, here's the back, I think, of this group. So the top 18 are in this front group. They're 27 seconds up. I don't know. Yeah, 27 seconds up. Stewart's at the front of the chasing group behind. So there's like 14 riders, it looks like, in this group. So it's funny, it looks like more than that. See where the next group on the road is. The pea shooter was in the next group back. Or if they've caught back on. Yeah, he's a minute, they're a minute 30 back. He's in a group of what? 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 8 people in this group. And then maybe this is the main field. Yeah, there's another big group on the road. But you can kind of see up here, this is pretty spread out. I think this is Noah's, well, yeah, it's hard for me to tell. This is a group I'm watching. Here's another group way back here. Yeah, this is pea shooter's group right here. So they're up there. So if I go up to where, yeah, here's Noah. This might be the front group, sorry. No, this is Noah's group. It's funny, it's hard for me to catch to find one of them. This group is moving around so quickly. Yeah, that's Stewart, okay. So Stewart's in this group. This is the lead group right here that they're chasing. I don't know if we can see him in the helicopter. Here we go, we're going back up. This is gonna sting. Remember guys, this is just like the opening salvo of this next climb back up. You're gonna go up this and then it's gonna level out again. So it's gonna suck, but it doesn't suck for very long. Flattens out and then you go take a left, I want to say, and then the KOM starts again. Looking good, Stewart. 5.1 watts a kilogram, digging. 90 RPM. He's definitely sitting down. Definitely putting out some power though. Nice job, Stu. Tops out up here. Stu's heart rate's nearing 200 beats a minute. I know he's working. This guy that's off the front, he's pedaling. He's doing about 300 watts of your guys' group. You guys are 2 seconds back. I see Dave's working. If nothing else, you're going to catch him on the downhill. But you guys are flying past him now. Nice job. These ramps are so painful. I have to race this in 1 hour and 45 minutes. I was in a good place though. Well positioned in the second chasing group. You can see up front, up top here, that it's starting to break apart. This is the main group right here. They're going up. I think they're just getting ready to start the main. No, downhill. Yeah, this is where it gets steep right here. Ouch. Alright, we got Noah in this chasing group still. 26th place, so I wonder if people are coming back to it. Noah's definitely, or he's just well positioned, and I can't tell if these guys are coming back off the front or not. There we go, Stewart. Stewart, I believe, is in the same group as Noah. He's just near the back a little bit. Where's Dave? Is Dave still in this? Here's Noah. A little bit down. We're going to go across a flat. There's Noah. I'm just sitting in a pen, so I'm not really anywhere. Alright, here's P. Okay. So this is Scott. He's in another chase group. There's some people coming up to him. I'll definitely speed him up. I think O'Neill catch together. Or he's pulling away from him. It's hard for me to tell. There's Noah still in there. Yeah, you can see up here. Here's where they're going. That's when it's going to get painful. But they are, maybe they're catching up with the front. You see that they're only 20 seconds, but that might be because they're going 49K, and once these guys up here hit the climb, they slow down. Here we go, and it begins again. That was looking good. There's the rest of those guys up here. 4 watts a kilogram. He's making good progress. It's good. Here we go. 6.5. That's digging. That's what you do. You stomp on it when it gets steep. Good. Stair step. Flattens out for a little bit. If you can get in the wheels, that's good. And for Stu. So steep, 10%, 355. That's where we're going, right up there in the top. Good job, Noah. Good job, Noah. Almost there, buddy. Nice job, man. 6 watts per kilogram. You're not playing around. Just stay on those wheels so you're not by yourself. Nice job, man. Up and over the top. Great job. 20th place. Got one guy in front of you. One more ramp, and you're there. Good, just sit on those guys' wheels. If you're in a big enough group, you'll catch those guys up in the front just by the mass. Good, 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 good. Nice, nice job, Noah. That's great, man. '17th place. And then you start going downhill. 26K, so there's like 8K left. And it's gonna go by fast. Don't forget to super tuck when you can. There you go. Yeah, recover, man. Recover, recover, recover. Good. Get yourself into a pretty select group, Noah. Stu's still riding. Nice. I was gonna get a good finish out of this. We'll definitely be top 30 and get some points. It's good. There's a sprint point. see him. All right, no, I think you got a kicker or two left. Pay attention, man, to those kickers because they're going to try to go away from you. But don't push any wind if you can avoid it. It's a bit of a downhill finish on this one. And if you can be like fifth wheel in your group and uncork your sprint with 500 meters to go, that's how you play this finish. Yeah, this is good. I think we're getting down to it. I think this might be it. There might be one more rise that you take, maybe around this corner. And then it's just downhill to the finish, so you can get popped on these things, but he's playing this smart. He's sticking to the front. Yeah, there's a rise right there. I'd let him, yeah, that's good. Just let them push the wind. Noah's nice and light, and he can respond quickly to this stuff. Stay in the wheels. This guy might be trying to do an attack. Actually, we're downhill. It's funny sometimes what I see and what it is are different. Like sometimes it can look uphill and it's really downhill. Yeah, this is downhill now. It looks uphill to me. Yeah, okay, that's just some of the riders that they're catching. I don't know who they are. They're catching up to the front. All the guys in the front must be just staring at each other. That was lucky, that glitch that you just saw on my computer. If you saw that, that's what used to freeze my computer. I think this is the last little rise. If you're going to attack, they're going to catch these guys. Ooh, this one's going to sting. I think it goes up to 5%, and that's it. I've done this course, or a similar course, and I got popped right here, like a kilometer from the finish. It's 34.8. They have 2K to go. I can never tell though, because my view is and what actually is where they are can be different. Because I'm just doing a fan view. But you can see all these riders up here. I don't know if these are just popped riders and they're catching them. But it's good. Just this nice little climbs. I'm looking up here. I still don't see the finish line. Yeah, I can't see it on here either. But this must be the lead group. So they're not that far in front. And it looks like these guys are digging 5.1. So they're trying. They must be, yeah, it's hard for me to say. I don't want to scroll up there and lose Noah for the finish. They're definitely catching these guys. Is that the finish right there? Yep, there's the finish. Okay, I can see the finish. It's gonna be good. He's in a good spot. Here we go. Starting to lead him out. There we go. Nice job, Noah. Nice, 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 nice. This is going to be good timing for him. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Great job. Yes. Is that not the finish? Great job, Noah. Great job, dude. You're in a fairly big group and you got most of them. That's great, man.